Hi everyone, my name is Claudia. I'm an elite esthetician and a global trainer with RéVive Skincare. And today I want to talk to you about one of our favorite and best-selling products, Rescue Elixir Oil. The product is right here. So this is an anti-aging nightly treatment oil that helps to boost skin natural moisture level. When you wake up in the morning, you feel hydrated, plumped. It's almost like having an extra hour of sleep. Some of the ingredients in the product is, for example, olive oil. There's coconut oil. There's meadow foam seed oil. Murumuru butter. So really beautiful hydrating ingredients to maintain that healthy hydration in your skin. But also some of the biorenewable proteins like biorenewal protein to help with renew your skin faster, and biovolumizing protein to help with plumping and volume. So I want to show you how to apply that product on your face. You need about 1 to 2 pumps. You can use it on its own, or you can mix it in with your night moisturizer. Blend it between your palms and just press it in, starting on your chin, cheeks, and forehead. Another tip will be use this product in room temperature. It has the best optimum result that way. Probably can see the beautiful glowing skin. It also feels very hydrated. Thank you for watching.